Hey guys, I'm back. So cute, is it not cute? Just get some cute little dress like this with the flowers in it. These kind of orange tones, red tones. You can wear it with orange or red or yellow. Or brighten up other solid colors, like if you had a green dress on. Anyways, it's very festive and cute, has movement. I like it. Yeah. Okay, yeah, guys. So you get the 2 earrings, and they are clip backs, all of them. So you know they're from about the 40s, 50s, early 60s era. Kind of cool. You're wearing a piece of history. Then you get this big beaded yellow necklace. The bib, which is bezel set, brushed gold tone. Bezel set little cabochons in multicolor. And this is called a bib when it's across your collar like that. And then we have the black chain, which is cool. And the double gold rings in geometrics. Looks like the infinity symbol. Pretty cool. Okay, so each necklace is $10. That would be, and there's 4 of them, so that'd be $40. 2 bracelets. Let me know if you need any more extension. This is a 7, and this one is stretchy. But very festive. I'm calling this the Festive Collection. Be nice for the beach or whatever. Going out. Let's see. And then the 2 earrings. So they were $5 a piece. So that would be $60 total. Collection 3, the festive set, is $60. I like it. I think it's worth it. Hey, welcome to Parure Purr Vintage Jewelry. And I have another collection to show you. Okay. This one is so fun. I had it on with this dress. I loved it. Okay. We're going to go over it and the measurements on it, okay? All right. Get this squared up. We're also going to go over a few rings this time around. So anyways, this collection starts with the bright beaded yellow necklace. It's a shorter one. So it basically elevates your eye because of the bright colors. It elevates your eye toward the face. And then to draw your eye downward as well, I have this gold chain that is cool. See? It's pretty awesome. I like geometric things, but it's nice shiny gold, and I put it as a bottom layer, so it's attracting the eye downward. And then to tone down the gold a little bit, I put the black chain over top of it. Looks really cool. And I've matched up. These earrings are older. I would say probably 40s, 50s, but they're made out of metal. Whoop. And they're clip. If you look on the back here. Now there were no markings, no maker markings on these. I've cleaned them up very well. Everything's been washed. And it's metal, and it has this like where it points, it's like a pyramid. Like that's the top of the pyramid, and then has the lines downward. So it's kind of cool if you look at the side view too. And they're both clip-on, or they are clip-on earrings. So I would say 30, or not 30s, I'd say 40s to 50s. And then I also have a second pair, and these are made out of a certain type of plastic. They're definitely older, I think, because the brass is patinaed, but they're clip-ons as well. There is no maker mark. It's like a satiny plastic, a really lightweight plastic. And like I said, the patina on the brass, if you look at it, you could tell it's older. And this was even after soaking it. Very nice. And they're the lighter color and satiny. The other ones are shinier and more this color, but these are the lighter. They kind of go with the yellow and the flower. A little lighter. So those two earrings go with it. Then we have the stretchy bracelet. Look how cute this combo is. Has like fish, seashells, and like little, I think these beads, they're all faceted. I'm not sure if they're glass. And then it has like a starfish. There's a couple of those. Regular fish, shells, another little blue fish, another starfish in orange is pretty and sparkly. Purple, blue beads, a green little green shell, and another starfish that's golden yellow. Really, really cute. The bracelet is a toggle clasp. It's silver toned, and it's just a size 7, so a size 7 fits me exact. If you need any links put in, it's a toggle, so I can add a couple other rings at the end of this. If you need an extension, just when you send me the email, just let me know if you wanted to elongate this to give you more room. I could put extra rings on for you to accommodate your wrist size. It's very cute. And, you know, bright, festive. Okay, as far as the necklaces, I'll measure them really quick. This first one is more of a choker length, and it has a lobster clasp. These beads are basically brand new. They still have their original packaging, so they've never really been worn. let's see, 12 and 12 and 4.5 if you count the clasp. 12 and 4 if you don't, just of beads. 12 and 4, that'd be 16. So it's a 16 inch, and it has extra extension chain here. Let me see what that is. It is about 2 inches of extension chain, so that would be the total length of 18 inches for the yellow beaded one. I'm just going to put these on as we go here. All right, the second level that I like to talk about is this Floral Multi-Colored Bib. Now it is bezel set. All these like little cabochons are bezel set to make each flower and their flower petals. But I don't know what the carbicons are made from. I think they are plastic, shiny plastic. But well done as far as the bezel set. We got like brushed silver or brushed gold. The back is brushed gold. And literally the light does shine through these a little bit because they left spaces. Very pretty. And it has, I'll just measure the chain at the first mark here. Let's put it right here. It is a lobster claw clasp, gold toned. There are no markings on this, so I don't know the maker. And let me measure this out for you. It is we're just going to go to the open point, which is 16 inches. A little bit more than 16 inches. 16 inches and 4 of those, 4/16, or yeah, about 2/16. It'd be 4 because you double it. All right, so that's about a 16, and then you add the extension chain on, which is pretty long. 3 inches. 3 inches of extension chain on this. So it'd be 19 inches altogether if you had it if you use the full extension. It's like a bib. All right, so the next part of this grouping is this black chain, and there's just different sizes of links to give it interest. It has some little teeny chains. It's interesting. You can wear it with the ensemble or not. Wear it by itself. It's cool. Now it has a lobster claw clasp, no maker. Let's see here. Some of the first levels of drops are about at 11 inches here. That'd be 22 inch. And then add on another like 6. oh, say 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 34 inches for the last drop, for this the bottom ones. And then we have this beautiful, beautiful gold tone. There is no maker stamp, but it's very shiny. Has a lobster claw clasp. I'm going to put it on the shortest length. And it has this, oh, they're jingly. Intertwining circles like the infinity symbol. Really shiny and pretty. Gold toned. Let me see the measurement on this for you. Be 12 and 2 more inches, be 14 times 2, be 28. So this is 28 inches, and it's double strand on both sides, double stranded as far as the chain. And let's see what the extension is. The extension is 3 inches. So 28, 20, 29, 30, 30. Or what did we say the thing was? Well, we added together. I forget what I said now. 3 inches on top of the last measurement I gave you. Add it together, and that's the full length of this necklace. And of course the bracelets.